Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and today we're going over the markets, doing an S&P Market Analysis video for Sunday the 11th of June. And the market has been very interesting. We were talking about the chances of price breaking up above this level here, and if so, there's a very good chance that it continues going. And right now, it's gotten a lot more clear. We talked about it breaking down below this 2399, 2400 level last video, and we're still looking at that. If it does break below 2400, there's a good chance that it's going to come down here to 2320 to 2289. But there's a better chance that it actually looks like it's going to support. We did get some selling on Friday, but it did turn into buying at the end of the day, which is a little bit more significant. And it looks like if it actually does hold, there's a chance, and it's a pretty good shot right now. I'd say probably 60-40 at the moment. We'll have to wait and see how the market actually does open to see how it is going to go. But right now, if it does come up, we're looking for 2460 to 2470, and if it does come up, then it's going to eventually go over our 2500 level that I've been talking about for quite some time. So we're looking for ultimately probably 2530 to 2550, something like that. But that's on into the future. This week, what's likely to happen this week? Well, a couple different things can happen. It could technically just go sideways. Most likely it's going to break one level or the other. At the moment the odds are to the upside. But things change pretty quickly in the market. So you can't really call one way, and that's why we usually have a couple scenarios on the table. One thing that I teach students in our trading courses is you can't be biased on one type of analysis. Like, okay, well, the odds are the market is going to go up, so those are going to remain the odds forever. No, that's not true. Things can change. Monday we could see something and say, oh, well, things obviously have changed, markets have shifted, and it looks different. So because the markets are dynamic in nature and they are able to ebb and flow and things can change, you do have to be on top of your analysis. Your analysis needs to be more dynamic. Having a static analysis is really a good way to lose money. Sometimes you're going to make money because the market's going to go in the way that you think, but more times than not, you're going to lose money and blow up your account. So that's why I usually have at least a couple scenarios on the table. Every now and then, very seldomly, there will be only one viewpoint because the market is just so in tune with everything. But most likely there is going to be a couple different scenarios. Sometimes I have 3, other seldom times I'll have 4, but usually it's about 2 to 3 scenarios. So right now we do have 2. If it breaks below 2400, we want to watch it very, very closely. Could it break below and stay up? Yes, it can. But most likely, if it breaks, it's going to drop. And that's what we look at. We look at probability. We have to, stay in tune with the market. Markets can change, but at the moment, that's basically what we're looking at. As long as it stays above 2400, and 2410 would be an area that I would watch very closely. Staying above there will look even better. But this is the line in the sand. It really does have to stay above, or just don't break strongly. If it breaks strongly, drops, obviously this is where it's going. So we have a pretty good roadmap here. So we'll see how the market actually does open this week, and really just go from there. What are you guys looking for this week? Feel free to comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let's get the discussion going. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome trading week. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.